Hey everyone, this is the mini for the bird feeder from Miss Delane Sandiford, 4 at 4. Spot 1 wins all 8 spots on the main. Copy the list. And go live. 235. Paste the list. Roll our dice, we need a 4 or higher. 235. And we have a 6. 235. 4 items on the list. It's 2, 3, 4, 5. After the 5th time, there's still 4 items on the list. Miss Tara Roberts is on top. Stephanie's on the bottom. We randomized 5 times. The dice calls for a 6. 236, last and final time. Good luck, everyone. Spot 4, Miss Janet Ham is the winner. Congrats, Miss Janet. 4 items on the list. 6 times. The dice call for a 6. We are done at 236. Thanks, everyone.